Hey everyone, did somebody say pancakes? Yes. Listen, I think that Saturdays are for pancakes, all right? So I'm going to show you how to make these lovely pancakes right here. Yes, if you make pancakes like this, your family, your friends, whoever it is that you're making for, they are going to love you, all right? I just want to give you some tips for your pancake game to be spot on. If you want your pancakes looking as fluffy and as beautiful as this, then you have to watch this video till the end, okay? It's not even long. All right, let's get into it. These are the things you will be needing. Of course, I am going to be writing down the measurements on the ingredients in the more section. So you have to click on more to see the list and the accurate measurement of all the ingredients that I used. All right. So these are the things you're going to be needing. You will need milk, egg, Greek yogurt. That's optional. Even if you don't put Greek yogurt, it's okay, but it's wonderful, believe me. White sugar, salt, baking soda, vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract, and of course you're going to be needing your all-purpose flour. I'm making 3 cups. So the first thing you want to do is to mix all your wet ingredients together. Okay, starting from the egg, you whisk it, add the melted butter, vanilla extract, right? Your milk, mix everything together, and then you add the Greek yogurt. Okay, and on the same hand, you also combine the powder, the dry ingredients together. So to the sifted all-purpose flour, remember you must sift your flour, okay? Make sure you sift it with a sieve, okay? So to the sifted flour, you're going to mix your baking soda, your white sugar, and your salt together. So now it's time to combine our wet and dry ingredients. Add the dry to the wet and stir as you go. I want to point out something. When you start mixing this, do not be tempted to add extra milk. You would think that your pancake batter is too thick, and you may be tempted to add some water or extra milk just to loosen it up a little. Please do not do that. It is good to have this kind of consistency you are seeing on your screen right now. Yes, that's because we already have a leavening agent in the form of baking soda in the batter. And the more you wait to fry pancake after pancake, the more runny the batter you have in the bowl is going to become. Yes. So please don't add extra water or extra liquid just to loosen it up if you think it's too thick. Otherwise, you're going to end up with crepes, not pancakes. There is a difference between the two. Okay? All right. So it's time to fry the pancakes. Heat your pan over low heat. Drizzle a little bit of oil. Spread it out with a brush all over the surface of the pan and scoop in some butter into the pan. So once your pancake becomes firm, just a little bit solid on top, it's time to flip. Yes. So you are going to see like those bubbles in the middle, and you know that the top is no longer so runny. It's time to flip them. All right. Please do maintain low heat. That's what I discovered. Low heat is just the best setting for your pancake. If you put it on medium high heat, it's going to be too brown. It's probably going to end up burning. I've experienced all of those. That's why I'm giving you this tip. Stick to low heat, okay? or low to medium. Just don't go beyond low to medium, please. All right, just as if you're entering medium but not yet medium. All right, I don't know the setting of your stove, that's why I'm using low and medium. Mine, I set it on 2. Okay, that's where it is. If you do this, you're going to just be making the pancakes, taking them out, and you are not even going to be worried about whether they're going to get burned or not, and it's not going to soak in oil. All right, if you do not put excessive amount of oil in the first place, all you need is a drop, a drizzle, and then you spread it out on the pan. All right, so the pancakes are very delicious. Just fill your home with this beautiful aroma in the morning, on the Saturday morning, and your children are going to look at, they all came every time. For all the time I was making this, they were coming to check on it, right? So that's our love. Don't you love these pancakes? Are you kidding? I think I might open a breakfast shop. All right, so anyway, that's that. Now you've done the pancakes, you are done making them, you have to serve them with something, complement it with, just explore, right? Try other things. So for this morning, I am putting salad, I'm putting bacon, I'm putting some strawberries, and I'm going to drizzle, what is it called, maple syrup all over it. And you can have this with coffee, hot coffee in this cold weather. You can have it with tea, with juice, whatever it is that you want. Just put a little butter there to add some oomph, and it's done. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, okay, and like this video. Comment in the comment section. Bon appetit.